Welcome to the City of Oconomowoc, located in the heart of Lake Country and conveniently situated between Milwaukee and Madison, off Interstate 94. Oconomowoc, the City of Lakes, is the area's center of commerce and industry. Settled in the 1800s, the city today is a mix of small-town charm and 21st century opportunity. Helping retain and attract businesses and families are low-cost, award-winning, municipally owned utilities. Oconomowoc Utilities are pleased to be part of the WPPI Energy's Leading by Example initiative. Oconomowoc's Lead by Example team was established in 2008. City of Oconomowoc Administrator Diane Gard is excited to share with you the innovative conservation projects that are helping to save taxpayers and ratepayers money within the community.
Oconomowoc has been able to implement some terrific energy savings ideas, and we're thankful to our mayor, our common council, our staff, the members of our Lead by Example team, and our community members who support us in these efforts. Together we are working to make Oconomowoc a great place to live and work. The City of Oconomowoc is proud to be in the first round of Wisconsin Energy Independent Pilot Communities. The focus of the plan is to allow the city to create programs that generate 25% of our electrical energy through renewable resources, and to allow us to create 25% of our fleet fuel from renewable resources. The city is committed to reducing our energy consumption and making all our buildings as efficient as possible. Today, the city is committed to the 25 by 25 plan, and we are currently purchasing 25% of our energy through renewable resources. In order to help city departments reduce their fleet fuel, we were able to purchase 2 neighborhood electric vehicles with the assistance of a grant from WPPI Energy.
We recently just purchased 2 NEV vehicles, and our goal with that is to share with our Park and Recs department and try to find business practices within the city where they're really applicable. For the NEV vehicle that Park and Rec is using, we put a dump bed on it because they do a lot of landscape work in the parks and so forth. And again, it's a pilot program, and we're going to see how we can work NEV vehicle use into other business units within the city. And again, I believe that it's important that we lead by example.
The city is proud to be part of the Wisconsin Clean Transportation Program, and we are able to purchase a hybrid electric line truck with the grant we received. I am proud to be part of the Oconomowoc Utilities team, which was recently chosen in the last year by the Waukesha County Executive to be the Community of the Year for all the green programs and projects we have implemented. These programs have a direct positive benefits to our taxpayers and our ratepayers.
You know, I'm proud to say that through the hard work of the utility staff, we have been recognized again with the RP3 award given out by American Public Power. That recognition is given out to municipalities that champion 4 distinct areas, being safety, reliability, workforce development, and system improvement. And because of the hard work that the Lead by Example team has done here in Oconomowoc, I was asked to lead a team to build sustainability into the system improvement part of that document. And APP, Oconomowoc Utilities, recognize that sustainability needs to be part of every electrical system to really be a leader moving forward.
As a city, we want to work with developers, and we want to bring you to our community, and we want to help you implement energy efficiency programs. A perfect example of that is the Brennan's Marketplace that has recently located in Oconomowoc. Specifically, Brennan's is using day lighting and offsetting some of their energy usage with solar panels. We also have a Lead by Example Green Power Partner program where businesses can purchase renewable energy but also get the additional benefit of marketing. WPPI Energy and Oconomowoc Utilities work together to find additional funding sources for businesses to participate in conservation efficiency programs. Oconomowoc Utilities is committed to working with our community partners. We have partnered with the Oconomowoc Area School District and in 2007 installed solar panels to light a tennis court. In addition to the lighting of the courts, there is an educational component in this, so it has been built into the school's curriculum to help the students learn more about energy efficiency and conservation. Currently, our Lead by Example team is working with our library and taking a 20-plus-year-old building and incorporating new lighting into it. This will bring the latest in lighting technology into our library.
Unveiled in the summer of 2010, the City of Oconomowoc and Village of Summit Joint Fire Station incorporates many state-of-the-art energy conservation and renewable energy features.
Right behind the hose tower is a 1,400 square foot mezzanine, and that houses the furnace, also the solar hot water heater structure, and an air compressor, as well as 3 Apollo light pipes. The light pipes were put in there so that we could use natural lighting to light the entire 1,400 square feet of mezzanine area.
But our training room here that we're in right now has the passive solar, and that we have a great deal of window area, and yet it's also set up with the overhangs to limit the solar gain during the day, lessening the load on the air conditioners.
The fire station is generating renewable energy.
Through setting the baseline, our 25 by 25 program, it was determined that 37% of the energy usage in our building was lighting. So naturally, lighting was one of the big hitters we went after first. We relighted 3 of our city shops with T8s, and they were the utility shop, Department of Public Works, and our Parks Department. We also used Apollo light tubes in our warehouses, and now we recently have installed some Apollo light tubes in our office space. We also installed occupancy sensors in our buildings, most notably in the police department. Because of the movement in and out, they're not sitting in their office.
The Oconomowoc Utilities Lead by Example team is chaired by Dennis Bednarski, Oconomowoc Utilities General Manager.
As the chair for the Lead by Example team, our philosophy has been to take a very pragmatic and practical approach to conservation projects. We do a pilot program, we analyze the data, and then we put it in a business format and present it to our leadership, so we have a cost averaging of it making sense for our bottom line and our ratepayers. And that's just what our citizens have become accustomed to and expect from us. We work very hard to educate our customers on conservation measures, whether it be buying green blocks of power, which ensures that the power that's purchased comes from renewable resources, or quite frankly, just educating our customers that not using electricity is the surest way to save dollars and conserve our valuable resources. Since 2007, Oconomowoc Utilities replaces all its transformers with EnviroTemp FR3 fluid. The EnviroTemp FR3 fluid is made from non-toxic, sustainable vegetable oil. FR3 fluid reduces dependence on petroleum-based mineral oil. This benefits the Lake Country area due to all the sensitive areas around the lakes, streams, and schools. Oconomowoc Water Department also installed soft starts on all their well pumps and booster station pumps. The goal is to reduce the torque, again extending the life of the motors. It further helps reduce the operating and maintenance costs. Our water utility installed an automatic meter informational system. This provides us real-time data that we can communicate to our customers about their water usage. It also allows my staff to go through, look at the data, identify leaks and problems that the customer might be having, and we can take a proactive approach to improve water conservation and customer service. We have a full implementation of automated meter informational system on our electric meters also. Our AMI system allows water and electric to work together to address customer concerns and be the best utility possible.
As Oconomowoc looks to the future, it is important for us to use our natural resources wisely. Currently, we are undertaking a feasibility study of 3 of our dams and are looking to determine if, from a return on investment standpoint, we could utilize one of these dams in a small hydro dam project.
The City of Oconomowoc and our municipally owned utilities are working hard to provide reliable electricity at affordable prices, protect our environment, and maintain the economic viability of our community. Local people leading the way to a brighter future.